Welcome to Any Connector Audio Insights, where we talk about how connected systems help restaurant brands grow smarter, faster, and more seamlessly. Today's episode, From Fragmented to Frictionless, how integration platforms are powering multi-brand restaurant expansion. Growth is exciting, but scaling across multiple restaurant brands and regions often brings one big challenge: tech fragmentation. You've probably seen it happen. One brand uses a different POS. Another runs its own accounting system. Some locations rely on Gusto for payroll. Others on ADP. Individually, each tool works fine. But together, they create chaos, inconsistent reports, disconnected teams, and slow, reactive decisions. So, how do leading restaurant groups turn this mess into momentum? The answer: a unified cloud-based integration platform that connects everything behind the scenes, turning scattered systems into one frictionless ecosystem. When restaurant groups expand, technology tends to sprawl. One concept might use Square, another prefers Toast. One team runs QuickBooks, another swears by NetSuite. Before long, your IT department is buried in tickets for data pulls and manual exports, just to get basic reports aligned. And the fallout is real. Data looks different across brands. Systems can't talk to each other. Leaders are forced to make decisions based on partial or outdated info, and every new tool feels like another expensive project. It's not just inconvenient. It's a real barrier to growth. This is where a modern integration platform comes in. Think of it as your restaurant group's central nervous system, quietly connecting your POS, inventory, payroll, HR, loyalty, and accounting tools in one place. Instead of building custom integrations for every tool, you can use pre-built connectors that link directly to the apps you already use. Your data becomes standardized. Your sales, labor, and marketing numbers all speak the same language. And with one clean dashboard, your team can monitor every connection without the usual IT headaches. The result is a strong, connected digital foundation that helps you expand faster and with far less friction. Let's look at a real example. A national restaurant group runs 3 brands across more than 70 locations. Each brand had its own tech stack. One used Toast POS with ADP and HubSpot. Another relied on Revel POS with QuickBooks and MailChimp. The third ran on Square POS with Gusto and Zoho CRM. Now imagine trying to get a consistent report out of that mix. It meant over a dozen manual exports every week and endless spreadsheets. Then they adopted Any Connector, an all-in-one integration platform. Overnight, things changed. Sales data flowed automatically into a single dashboard. Labor hours synced directly with the right payroll provider. Customer information moved instantly between their POS and marketing tools. And the best part: IT could monitor everything from one cloud interface. The outcome: a 40% drop in administrative time, and for the first time, real-time visibility across all brands. That's what going from fragmented to frictionless really looks like. When everything connects, the impact goes beyond convenience. You get one source of truth across all brands. No more conflicting numbers. New tools and brands can be added quickly without the usual development delays. Operations become leaner because manual reconciliation and double entry disappear. Your tech stack scales with you instead of holding you back, and you gain the flexibility to switch tools without breaking entire workflows. These are the kind of advantages that let multi-brand operators scale with confidence and consistency. Some restaurant groups try to solve integration by hiring developers to build custom code. That can work short-term, but it's costly, rigid, and breaks every time an API changes. Middleware, like any connector, solves that problem for good. It gives you centralized control over all integrations, supports plug-and-play SaaS tools, allows flexible workflows as your brands evolve, and gives IT full oversight with secure, role-based access. With middleware, your systems grow together, not apart. When you're comparing integration tools, focus on 5 essentials. First, the ability to manage multiple brands from a single dashboard. Second, support for custom APIs when you need to extend capabilities. Third, automation triggers that handle tasks like updating your CRM when a new order comes in. Fourth, data mapping that keeps your naming conventions consistent. And finally, secure, encrypted connections that protect every transaction. Any connector was built with all of that, and designed specifically for the restaurant industry. If you're managing several brands or planning to expand, here's where to start. First, make a list of all your tools, your POS, HR, accounting, CRM, everything. Then, identify the data you want unified across those systems, like sales, labor, or marketing metrics. Choose a flexible integration platform that offers both ready-made connectors and room for custom. Setups. And before rolling it out company-wide, start small. Pilot it with 1 or 2 brands. You'll be surprised how much smoother everything runs once your system starts speaking the same language. In a fragmented tech world, integration is your superpower. For multi-brand restaurant groups, investing in a cloud-based integration platform isn't just about connectivity. It's about clarity, control, and staying ahead of the competition. By choosing middleware over custom development, you make your business faster, smarter, and ready for growth. From fragmented to frictionless, it all starts with integration. Thanks for tuning in to Any Connector Audio Insights. For more stories on how integration is transforming restaurant technology, visit anyconnector.com.